guys, welcome back to our channel Classy Traders. As we have stated in our previous video that we will be sharing the knowledge related to the stock market. So as a beginner you might have a doubt that what is actually the stock market means, can we invest in, or if we want to invest, what are the requirements, what we actually require. So need not to worry, I will be giving you the knowledge which whatever I have gained from my previous experience, but in a video wise, or we can say in my upcoming videos. So for now we'll be jump into our topic, that what is actually the stock market means. That this will be the first topic. So the stock market serves two important reasons. Now the stock market serves two important reasons. When I say two important reasons, the first thing is companies. Now if there is, for an example, if there is a company ABC and wants to grow its business, so they will be approaching the stock exchange and offer their shares to the public to invest in and become the shareholder of their company through the IPO. Now what is IPO means? IPO is initial public offering. This is the first step to get the company listed into the stock exchange. This will be the first purpose. Now the next purpose is which stock market serves is people. I mean people, or we can say public, or we can say investors, who can invest into the company by purchasing their shares through the stock exchange, from the stock exchange, and become the shareholder of that company. Now once the company gets listed, public can buy the shares through a broker or to the stock exchange, as I said, and they can become the shareholder of their company. Now why the public invest into that particular company is aiming for the very simple reason, aiming for the future profits, or thinking that the company might do a good business in the upcoming days, and they might get some profit. As the company makes profit, so they will be getting a profit in the form of a dividends, or we can say that bonus shares or something, etc. So it is actually like an ocean. So I'm just giving you the outline of the stock market, how it works. Now the company comes in, get listed into the stock exchange through IPO, and where the general public can invest in and become the shareholder of the company. So this is a cycle. There are n number of companies which have got listed till date, and there are n number of investors who are invested into the n number of companies. So this is a cycle. So this is a never-ending cycle, and you can actually invest into the stock market, but you should have a good knowledge. Without knowledge, if you go into the stock market, you will be easily making losses. So what are the knowledge you require? What are the requirements? What are the requirements to invest into the stock market? We'll be covering in our upcoming videos. So that's it for this video, guys. Hope you liked it. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye. Take care.